Right, Bobby, ready for today's adventures? What we're going to do today?
Magnet fishing.
Going magnet fishing. And where we're going to go?
Yeah.
In here. Let's have a little look. That's a nice bridge, isn't it? We'll throw our magnet in there. Have a little look, you see? See your magnet there, Bobby. That looks powerful. What do we do? Just throw it in the water. What do you... From here? You want to do it from the bridge? Go on then. What did you see? What was it? Go there. You got something? What have you got? You felt something? What have we got here? A pair of scissors? That? No idea what that is. That looks pretty minging, doesn't it? Still quite cool though. There's a scraper. Okay, right. Come on, right, okay. Things should come off then. I don't know what that bit is. Right, Bobby, you going to give that a good throw, yeah? Nicely done. And just a nice gentle pull back, yeah? Got something else already? What have we got here? Something really heavy? Oh, what's some kind of bracket or something that probably I think. Yeah, I think that's been part of a fence or something at one point. Let's have a look. Yeah, it looks like some kind of fence post or something, isn't it? Right, Bobby, where are we going next? Going to the bridge. And why are we going there? Some more magnet fishing. People might have dropped stuff over the bridge, yeah? So we're on the bridge.
I already found something.
What did we find this time?
I think it was dirty there, but don't touch it.
Alright. Big dirty nail. And now we're down at the bus station area. I think there's a lot of foot traffic round about here. Bobby's got a magnet down there and we're going to drag that along here.